Hi, I made my project for my Frontdesk. This is a voice agent which has three main functionalities. One, it answers the questions asked by the customer based on the database in here. And after that, if the question is not in the database, it asks the human, and all the questions come into this admin panel. Here you can see the questions answered and the pending request. And if the supervisor fails to respond in 2 minutes, the AI will respond, the voice agent will respond that supervisor is not available right now. So the main code is this. I use the assembly AI and 11 labs for TTS and SST, and I use the tool which is embedded into the LLM for asking questions. And for the backend, I use the SQL database with threading lock for more security. And for LLM, I used Google Gemini's API. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Yeah, now I'm gonna log in the playground with the same room ID. Hello,
Hello, I'm Mike from Glow Salon. How can I help today?
I would like to book an appointment.
Great. What service are you looking for? Also, I'll need your name, phone number, and preferred time to confirm the booking.
What services do you have?
We offer a range of hair services including standard haircuts, starting at $50. Premium haircuts, $75. Women's haircuts, starting at $50. Men's haircuts, starting at $50. Hair coloring,
Okay,
starting
okay,
at...
okay. I would like to go with the standard haircut for $50.
Great, a standard haircut for $50. Could you please tell me your name, phone number, and what time you'd like to book your appointment?
Who is your top stylist?
Our top stylist is Nina, with expertise from L'Oréal Paris.
Okay, then my name is Eric, and I would like to come on Tuesday at 10 a.m. Will that be okay?
Great, Eric. So that's a standard haircut with Nina on Tuesday at 10 a.m. Can I get your phone number to confirm your booking?
Yeah, sure. It's 3251163251.
All right, Eric. Your appointment for a standard haircut with Nina on Tuesday at 10 a.m. is booked. Your phone number is 325-106-3251. We look forward to seeing you at Glow Salon.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and ask some questions which are not in a database, and that request will come into this admin panel. And if the request is not answered in the 2 minutes window, the AI will respond saying my supervisor is not available right now. Do you have any Vietnam employees?
Let me check with my supervisor.
So as it said, it's saying let me check with my supervisor, and the request came into this window, and I'm gonna answer it for the first time. No.
No, we do not have any Vietnamese employees.
Now I'm gonna ask one more question, and I'm not gonna answer the question for 2 minutes, and it will say my supervisor is not available. Do you have any Japanese employees?
Let me check with my supervisor.
Yeah, now you see the question came into here, and I'll wait for 2 minutes, and after that, when the window is completed, the AI will answer that my supervisor is not available. You can see the logs in here. The questions are transferring to the human, and they're same time they're going to the database and getting saved in here. So after the 2 minutes complete,
I apologize. My supervisor is unavailable right now. Please try again later.
Yeah, so after 2 minutes, it says that my supervisor is not available right now and please try again later. So this is the agent I completely designed. The three tasks which were mentioned in the phase one, including the human in the loop and a complete life cycle. So I'm gonna complete it and I'm gonna say, so is my appointment confirmed?
Yes, Eric, your appointment for a standard haircut with Nina on Tuesday at 10 a.m. is confirmed. We look forward to seeing you.
Yeah, so it's a complete life cycle. If the human doesn't answer within the 2 minutes window, it'll come back and say supervisor is not available right now. And it also answers from the database, and the answers that came from the database get stored into the knowledge base. For suppose the question I asked now, see in here, do you have any Vietnam employees? This get uploaded into database and also into the present window. So when you ask the question next time, it will answer it. I'll show you again. Do you have any Vietnam employees?
No, we do not have any Vietnamese employees.
Yeah, so in the same session, I asked the question two times. The first time it asked to the human, and when it got answered from second time, it's not asking because it updated itself with the question. So this is the thing. It satisfies all the requirements. Thank you.